Hi, my name is Moyash. Do download the skin. Please hit the link in the description to open this page. Scroll down. Go to Files. Now, click on the download icon to download the compressed file. If you can't see this window, you need to allow pop-up windows in your browser. Click Download, then OK. Now, open VLC Media Player. Click Tools menu, then Preferences. Choose Use Custom Skin and click Save. Now, open Home folder and show hidden files. You can hold Ctrl and hit H key from keyboard to show hidden files. And go to that path. .local. Share. VLC. If you don't find the folder Skins 2, just create one. Right-click and choose New Folder. And name it Skins 2. And move the new skin here. Close that. And close that. And open VLC. Right-click and choose Interface. Select Skin. Here is the new skin below the default one. Just choose it. And now you have it. For a complete preview of the skin, please open this video and jump to Skin Preview from here. And to set hotkeys for VLC, open this video and jump to Set Hotkeys from here. I hope you like my skin. Don't forget to subscribe. And consider donating to Moyash on Patreon or PayPal. Thank you for your support. See you next time.